Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the lofted cut. So lofted cut command is pretty similar like the regular lofted command, but instead the difference, like in the lofted cut we are gonna get rid of some material from the body. We are not gonna create any geometry. So this is a big difference. Other than that, they work pretty identical to each other. So right now I have an example part here in my software, as you can see, and I already have a two sketch. On the first sketch on this face there is a rectangle with the round edges, which is sketch 2, and then I have another sketch which is sketch 3 on the another side of the box. So I'm gonna go into the features and let's see how it works. So into the feature, you can see in the ribbon section there is an option lofted cut. So I'm gonna go into the lofted cut, and then I have almost pretty similar option like I had in regular loft. So I would select it from, I want to start it from sketch 2 till sketch 3. So as I choose sketch 2 and sketch 3, you can see there is a line between this sketch and this sketch, and with the green dots. So as I already said in the previous video that we should have an equal number of segments, but we don't have equal number of segments. It's gonna cut a free fall cut, so we don't care, we are fine with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click the green check mark. Look, in this way the lofted cut tool is applied on this body. So it's really fast and really powerful, I would say. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So let's go back, and what if I want to edit? I would like to edit this lofted cut feature, and then what I can do is there are some other options. Like the first option is we can have some guided curves, so we can just use the guided curves if you want to guide our lofted cuts tool or whatever. And there is another option which is start and end constraint. And start constraint, if I would like to choose the normal to profile, and in the end constraint I would also like to choose the normal to profile, and with the 0 degree is fine. So you can see, but maybe you cannot differentiate, so I should go into this normal view, and then in the display I would go into this view. Okay, so you can see we have a handle, or we have a normal vector here. So by moving this vector we can control the shape. So if I would like to change it, I can change it, and by just increasing or decreasing the handle length, so I can control the body, as you can see, or I can just increase the end constraint. So in this way you can control the shape of your lofted cut. I'm fine with it, so I'm just gonna click the green check mark. In this way you can see this is the shape of the lofted cut. So I'm gonna go back into the regular mode. Look, we have exactly same lofted cut on our desired body. So like it looks really nice and powerful, I would say, but there is a thing which you need to keep in mind, that everything which is possible in the software might be that could not be possible in the same way in a practical design or in practical cut. So you just need to take care about it whenever you are drawing something like that. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.